Toddler with a bat.
Come on right
He's
here.
got a bat.
Come here, Bojo, right here. Bojo, come over here. Are you ready? Get ready.
Toddler's with the bat. He's not the.
Whoa!
He's not even swinging.
I see your bat, silly.
Here, right here.
Look.
Just swing. Just swing. Just swing.
Cute.
Just swing.
That was so sweet.
Toddler swing.
Look like this. Well, here, I'll put it
Swing,
down.
Toddler. Swing.
Then put it down. Oh, I think it's
Swing the bat. Wrong end.
Come on, put it down.
Swing, just like that. Swing it.
You laughed
No, just swing. 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 I see what they mean. But, Carson, toddler, little toddler, man. Swing the bat. Swing the bat like this. Show us how you swing the bat.
That birdhouse? No! That's the birdhouse.
Oh.
Well, let us stand back. Give it now. Put it back. Thank you. You worked hard on that birdhouse.
So yeah, there we go. Swing it. So we've been swing the freaking bat.
It's like here.
Whatever. It's a bubble gun.
Too real tight, Grace. So
I'm gonna show you. Carson, swing it. Little toddler boy.
all right, is that good?
Swing it.
Is that better? She gets all mad.